Building with concrete today demands a balance between performance, program certainty, and carbon reduction. But with lower carbon mixes, confidence matters more than ever. That's why we have evolved CEVO Digital in partnership with Converge into 3 connected offerings: CEVO Digital, CEVO Digital AI, and CEVO Digital Pro. A connected suite of digital tools designed to bring clarity, control, and intelligence to every concrete pour, combining sensors, artificial intelligence, and integrated project data into one powerful platform. First, CEVO Digital. Embedded maturity sensors measure concrete temperature and strength in real time, giving teams live insight into how their concrete is performing on site. Next, CEVO Digital AI, an optimization engine trained on millions of real concrete data points, using weather conditions, sensor feedback, and calibrated mix data to predict how concrete will perform before the pour even begins. Finally, CEVO Digital Pro, a fully integrated data hub connecting delivery tickets, mix specifications, sensor data, and lab results. Every delivery, every pour, every kilogram of CO2 tracked automatically. CEVO Digital delivers total concrete intelligence, from pour to performance. Smarter concrete, lower carbon, greater control. CEVO Digital.